Yes, hello everyone, welcome back, means welcome to Infinity Learn by Sri Chaitanya. So, this is lecture 2 of lines and angles. We have already finished the lecture 1, that is in the previous class, right? We have seen the definitions and the basic concept that is related to angles, right? What are angles, vertices and many properties. Angles formed when two parallel lines is intersected by transversal lines, and different type of angles like alternate angles, exterior angles, co-interior angles, corresponding angles and many more angles in the previous class, right? So, in this class we will focus on angle sum property of triangle. Then some good questions like how to find the angle sum of any vertex, sum of vertex of any star pattern, right? So, these questions are quite important, not for your home examination, but yeah, this is very important for Olympiads. So, we will do some standard question. Shall I start, guys? Yeah. So, let's start, everyone. So, what is angle sum property of triangle? So, this is very basic. You have already studied it in class 7th, 8th. Means sum of interior angle of any triangle is always 180 degree. So, if you have any triangle, guys, then what is angle sum property? Sum of interior angles of any triangle is always 180 degree, right? So, let us prove this. So, what we have to prove, guys? To prove angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degree, right? In order to do proof, even in the geometry, we required some constructions to prove the required thing, right? So, what is the construction, guys? So, there are many things. The simplest one is simply you can draw any line, passes through any vertex and parallel to the opposite side. So, let me do a construction, guys. I will draw a line which will pass through vertex A and parallel to BC. So, this is our construction. This line is parallel to BC. So, let me write the construction, guys. Draw a line passing through A and parallel to BC, right? Okay. So, let us prove this. So, how it is, guys? We know that angle formed on a straight line is always 180 degree, right? So, I hope this straight line is visible to everyone. So, there are three angles, right? This is the first angle, this is the second angle, this is the third angle. Let us assume this is C, this is B and this is A. So, we know that angle A plus B plus C will be 180 degree, right? Why? Because straight line angle. So, A plus B plus C is 180 degree, and what is the reason, guys? Straight angle, right? Let us assume this is equation 1. Can you identify any relation between angle C and this angle B, these two angles? Just see, use the concept that we have studied in the previous class. These two angles are the pair of alternate interior angle. Why? Because these two are the parallel line and this is the transversal line. So, can we say that C is equal to angle B? Yes, C is equal to angle B. Similarly, this B will be equal to this angle C. B is equal to angle C, and you have to write the reason, alternate angle. Okay, guys. Now, put these values. So, if I substitute the values in equation 1, what is A? A is measurement of basically angle A, right? A is the measurement of angle A. So, this is angle A. What we have proved? B is equal to angle C. And what is C? This C is equal to angle B, which is 180 degree. So, this is our proof, guys. Okay, means sum of interior angle of any triangle is always 180 degree. I hope this proof is clear to everybody. Still, if you have any doubt, please write in the comment section. Okay, no doubt. So, this is quite easy and you should know how to prove. Sir, what about sum of exterior angle of a triangle? Right. So, I will do that, no issues. So, one thing should be clear, sum of interior angles of any triangle is always 180 degree, right? Let us see sum of exterior angle of any triangle, right? So let me extend this side to make an exterior angle, this side to make an exterior angle, and this side to make another exterior angle, right? So we have to find the measurement of these three angles, A, B, C. Okay. So how will do this? Let us assume this is vertex A, this is vertex B, and this is vertex C. Right, guys? If this is A, so can you tell me the measurement of this angle, remaining angle? Straight angle. So these two should be 180. If one part is A, then the remaining will be 180 minus A. Right, guys? Very good. Now, what about this part? If this is B, what will be the measurement of this angle? 180 minus B. And similarly, this will be 180 minus C. Right? Okay. Now, the next thing, we have already proved that sum of interior angle of any triangle is always 180 degree. Means angle A plus angle B plus angle C is always 180. Let us substitute the value to find the value of A plus B plus C. What we have to find? A plus B plus C. That is sum of exterior angle of any triangle, right? So A is 180 minus A. B is 180 minus B. And C is 180 minus C. Is 180, right? So this 180, 180, 180 is 540. And let us take minus common out from these three terms. So what we will get, guys? Minus times of A plus B plus C, and that is 180 degree. Since we have to find the value of A plus B plus C, so what I will do, guys, simply I will shift this term here and this constant here. So 540 minus 180 is A plus B plus C, which is 360. So sum of three interior angles of a triangle is 360 degree, right? Even just take any polygon, triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, octagon, heptagon, nonagon, decagon. Sum of exterior angle does not depend on the number of sides or the number of vertices. This is fixed and this is always equal to 360 degree. But what about sum of interior angle? We know that sum of interior angle of a triangle is 180. That of quadrilateral is, we will get two triangles, so it will be 360. For pentagon, we have 540 and so on. It means sum of interior angle of any polygon depends on the number of sides. But the sum of exterior angles of any polygon is always fixed. It will not depend on the number of sides, that is always 360. Means sum of exterior angle for all type of polygon, whether it is triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, this is always 360 degree. Right, guys? So hopefully this is clear to everybody. Any doubt in these things? Good to go. And there is a formula to find the sum of interior angle, right? What is the formula? If n is the number of sum of interior, please note down this formula. Sum of interior angles of n vertex polygon. So this is n minus 2 into 180 degree, right? If you find the sum of interior angle for triangle, then n is 3, 3 minus 2 is 1, 1 into 180 is 180, that we have already proved. For quadrilateral, n will be 4, 4 minus 2 is 2, 2 into 180 degree is 360 degree. Even we can find the sum of any polygon, sum of interior angle of any polygon by using this formula, right? And what about sum of exterior angle? So sum of exterior angle is fixed for all type of polygon, that is always 360. So this is independent of number of vertex or number of sides. Okay, so please note down these two things together so that you can recall during the revision, right? So let us apply these concepts in the question part. Okay, so let us cover one more theorem, that is exterior angle property for the triangle. So what is exterior angle property? Can you tell me in the chat box, guys? You have already studied this in the previous classes. So what is exterior angle property? In any triangle, exterior angle is always equal to sum of opposite interior angle, right? So let me take a triangle and let me extend this side to form a exterior angle. Okay, let's say this is A, this is B, this is C. If the measurement of this angle is A and the measurement of this angle is B, then obviously this angle, that is exterior angle, is always equal to sum of opposite interior angles. So what are the opposite interior angles? For this exterior angle, these two are the opposite interior angles. Simply add them, you will get the measurement of this angle, right? So let us take an example. If I ask, guys, suppose this angle is 30 degree and this angle is 80 degree. So can you tell me the measurement of this angle? Yes, of course you can tell. This is the exterior angle and sum of exterior angle is always equal to sum of opposite interior angles. Simply add them. 30 plus 80 is 110. So this is 110. But yes, we will get good type of questions that will be based on these concepts. If we merge all the concepts, then we will get a quality question, and we will see those questions in today's class, right? One more property. In any triangle, if two sides are equal, suppose we have a triangle ABC, right? And I have assumed that AB and AC are the equal sides of the triangle ABC. Then their opposite angles must be equal. Okay, we will see the proof of this thing in the congruency part, right? In the congruency of the triangle, right? So in isosceles triangle, two sides are equal and their opposite angles must be equal. Why this is isosceles triangle? Because two sides are equal, then their opposite angles must be equal. If this is x, then this will be x, right? So in any triangle, if two sides are equal, then their opposite angles must be equal. Okay, I hope these properties are clear to everybody. Let's move to the question part. Okay, yeah, because if we will not solve the questions, then we cannot apply the concept, and if we cannot apply the concept, then the concepts are of no use, right, guys? So let us use these concepts in the question part. So the first question, this is very important question, even important for the Olympiads also. These are called as ladder type problem, right? Yeah. So what is given? Find the value of x in the given figure if the measurement of AC, this is side AC, is equal to BC, is equal to BD, and the measurement of this angle is 60 degree. So you have to find the value of x, means the measurement of angle DAB. So just try this, guys. This is a good question. Take your time, no issues. Yes. So anyone got the answer? Okay, no issues. Let me explain this question. Okay. So I will use two property. One exterior property, that is in any triangle, exterior angle is always equal to sum of opposite interior angles. Since in this diagram one more relation is given, that is relation between equal sides. So I will use the property in any triangle, if two sides are equal, then their opposite angles must be equal. So we can solve this complex question by using these two basic properties. Okay, yeah. So let us focus. See, just focus in triangle ACB. Two sides are equal, no? AC and CB are equal. This is given in the question. So their opposite angle must be equal. What is the opposite angle of side CB? X, which is given in the question. So the opposite angle of AC, this is AC, must be X, right? Hopefully this is clear to everybody. What I have used here, guys, in any triangle, if two sides are equal, then their opposite angle must be equal. Now use the property, guys, exterior angle property, to find the measurement of this angle. So this is the exterior angle of this triangle, and we know that in any triangle, exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angle. So if this is x, then this will be x plus x, which is 2x. Now we have one more triangle in which measurement of two sides are given and they are equal. Are you able to identify that triangle? Yes, this triangle, that is triangle CBD. In this triangle, angles side CB and BD are same. So again we can use the property. Which property? In any triangle, if two sides are equal, then their opposite angle must be equal, right? Yeah. So if this is 2x, then obviously this measurement will be 2x. because this is the opposite angle of this side CB, which is equal to BD. Now guys, last thing that should be crack in your mind. Yes, can you guess that? We have to find the measurement of this angle in form of x. Can you do this? Yes. Just focus in triangle ADB. This is the exterior angle of these two interior angles, this one and this one. So we can say that this angle will be equal to x plus 2x. So in triangle ABD, this 60 must be equal to x plus 2x, and this is 3x is 60 degree. So what is x guys? X is 60 by 3, which is 20 degree, and that is our option. Okay, so hopefully this is clear to everyone. So till now we have seen how to find the sum of interior angle of any polygon, but how to find the sum of interior or the vertex angle of any star pattern. So this is a star having 5 vertex. This is a 6 vertex star, 7 vertex star and 8 vertex star. See, if we categorize these stars into two parts, that is sum of stars having even vertex and the stars having odd vertex. So these two are the stars having odd vertex, even vertex. We can easily find the sum of their vertex angle. How? Just pause the video and think how we can find the sum of these 6 vertex. Yeah, got the logic? Yes, tell me the logic guys. Yes sir, there are two triangles. If we add the sum of interior angle of these two triangles, then we will get the sum of vertex of this star, and we know that sum of interior angle of one triangle is 180. So it will be 180 plus 180, that is 2 into 180, which is 360 degree. Right? Means sum of interior angle of 6 vertex star is 360. What about this guys? What about this? How many vertex are there? 8 vertex. So can you identify two basic polygons? Yes, we have two quadrilaterals. This is the first quadrilateral and this is the second quadrilateral, right? If you add the vertex, if you add the sum of interior angle of two quadrilateral, then we will get the sum of vertex angle of all these 8 vertices. Okay, so how will do this? We know that sum of interior angle of one quadrilateral is 360. So that what will be the sum of interior angle of two quadrilaterals? So it will be 2 into 360. And what is 2 into 360? That is 720 degree. So this is quite easy to find the sum of vertex angle of any star if the number of vertices are even. What we will do if they are odd, like in the first and the third case? Just think. See, let me take the first one, then I will tell you a general formula, and by using that formula you can find the sum of vertex angle of any star if the number of vertices are known, whether it is even or odd. That formula is applicable for all the vertices, right? So let me tell you how to solve this one first. Okay, then I will tell a formula. See, we have to find, so let us say this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, this is E. We have to find the value of A plus B plus C plus D plus E. How will do this? I will solve this by using exterior angle property of the triangle, right? See guys, let me focus on this triangle only, triangle ABC, right? Can you tell me the measurement of this angle? Yes, you can. How? This is the exterior angle of this triangle. So this angle will be equal to sum of opposite interior angle. So this exterior angle, just look at this triangle. So this is the exterior angle guys. So this will be equal to B plus D. So this is B plus D. Similarly guys, use the same method and tell me the measurement of this angle. Yes, you can, but the triangle will be different. Just focus on this triangle. So this is E, this is C. So this exterior angle should be equal to C plus E. Now in triangle ABC, add the vertex system, measurement of vertex angles. So this is A, this is C, this is B plus D. So A plus B plus D plus C plus E. And what is this? This is basically the sum of interior angle of a triangle. So this will be 180 degree, right? So the sum of vertex angle of 5 vertex star is always 180 degree. So this is the method. But if we apply these method in the 7 vertex star, 9 vertex star, 11 vertex star, then definitely it will take time. So how will do this? Yes. So for that, use this formula. Sum of vertex angle of any star is 180 into n minus 720 degree. Simply use this formula. And what is n? N is the number of vertices. So for this, n is 5. If I put n is equal to 5 here, so what will get? 180 into 5 minus 720. That is 900 minus 720. So we'll get 180, right? So you can use this formula to solve this type of question within 5 seconds, right? So please learn this formula. Sum of vertex angle of any star pattern or any vertex star pattern is 180 n minus 720. And what is n? N is the number of vertices, right? Use the same formula and tell me the sum of vertex angle of 7 vertex star. So put n is equal to 7 here and tell the right answer in the comment section, guys. So if I put n is equal to 7, we'll get 180 into 7 minus 720, right? So if I take 180 common out, so we'll get 7 minus 4, na? 180 into 4 is 720 and 7 minus 4 is 3. So 180 into 3 is 540. Means sum of all these vertices will be 540. Understood, everyone? Hopefully this concept is clear to everybody. Okay, now solve this question. In a triangle ABC, what is the sum of angle A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F plus G plus H plus I? So this is quite easy question, guys. Do try and please write the answer in the comment section. Yes, got the answer. What will the answer? No worries. See, B, I and C. What is the value of B plus I plus C? So this is a triangle. The sum of B plus I plus C is 180. B plus C plus I is 180. Now, A plus G plus F. Again, these three are the angles of interior angle of a triangle. So its sum will be 180. So A, G, F 180. Now find the sum of remaining one, that is D, E, H. So again, guys, D, E, H, this triangle. So it will be 180. So 180 plus 180 plus 180 means 540. So basic question. So the right answer is B option. Okay. Now the next question. So guys, this is a very important question. And this question was already asked in the Olympiads also. So please read the question first. In the given figure, ABCD is a square, means ABCD is a square. AOB is equilateral triangle. This is equilateral triangle. And we know that measurement of each angle is 60 degree in equilateral triangle and all sides are also equal. And since ABCD is a square and the vertex angle of square is 90 degree. Use these two concepts and just try to find the value of COD. Do try, guys, and write your answers in the comment section. Yes, got the answer? Yeah, great. So I will do this. See, what is the measurement of angle A? So your answer will be 90. If this is 60, then this part will be 30. Right? Okay, how will find this angle? So let us do this, guys. This angle. See, what is given, guys? ABCD is a square. If ABCD is a square, then the measurement of AB and AD will be equal. No? Because in square, AB sides are equal. So AB and AD will be equal. Now what is AOB? AOB is a equilateral triangle. So AB and AO will be equal. Because of equilateral triangle. Simply compare these two and we'll get AD is equal to AO. means AD is equal to AO. What is AD? This one is AD and this one is AO. So in triangle AOD, these two sides are equal. If these two sides are equal, then their opposite angle must be equal, right? So if this is X, then this will be X. Now use angle sum property in triangle AOD. In triangle AOD, use angle sum property. So X plus 30 is 180 degree. So X plus X is 2X, is 180 minus 30 is 150. So X is 75 degree. Okay, means this is 75. Similarly guys, you can prove this OB and BC is equal. So if this is Y, so this will be Y and Y will be 75 degree. Okay, and these four angles form a complete angle, and we know that complete angle is always equal to 360. So angle DOC plus this 75 plus 60 plus 75 is 360 degree. Solve this. 75, 150, 150 plus 60 is 210, and angle DOC will be, RCOD will be 360 minus 210, which is 150 degree. So the right answer is C option. Understood? So no doubt this was a very good question. Okay, all right. So guys, that's all from my side. Still if you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. I will try my best to solve your doubts. Okay, any doubt to anyone? No? So the last thing guys, if you are new on the platform, then please subscribe it, share the session among your friends so that they can also join the session. See you in the next class. Bye bye. Take care.